It's Takeout Thursday, and what are we eating, boys?
Meatballs.
Meatballs and chicken parm and pasta and penne alla vodka. But with this Takeout Thursday meal, even though I'm giving myself a little bit of a break with cooking, I still wanted to add a little bit more. So I made appetizers and a salad. So come cook with me and I'll show you how to make bruschetta and this wonderful salad. So Dylan, are you gonna help me make the food today?
Yeah.
We're making what? What's this?
Leaves.
Leaves. We're making salad and we're gonna make some bruschetta. Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna do that. You're gonna help me bake it?
Yeah.
All right. This is gonna be interesting. He thinks he's a little chef. For our salad that I'm gonna make, I'm using my pickled vegetables that I usually have this big jar, and we pretty much go through it in about a week. So it's not that big for our family because we go through it a lot. And it's a basic recipe. And one day I was going to the farmer's market and I was buying pickled vegetables all the time because I love it on my salads. I like it on like charcuterie boards. And I decided to make it myself. And I did, and it came out so good. And this is how I put together. I don't have all the ingredients to show you step by step, but I'm just gonna teach you how to make it yourself. So you're gonna get a jar, a mason jar, and then you're gonna get white vinegar and whatever veggies you like. Sometimes I even add broccoli in here or cauliflower. But for this jar, I have in here cucumbers, carrots, red peppers, and celery. And let's see, do I have anything else? Nope, that's it. Sometimes, again, I put other ingredients in there, but we love it. So what I have...
Pickle.
What do we have in there? What do you see?
Pickle. Carrot.
Carrots, and pickles. So depending on how big your jar is, that's how much ingredients you're gonna need.
Yes.
So I just use salt. I'll put salt in here. I'll put peppercorns. And then I'll put dill inside there, like a couple of teaspoons of dill, depending on how big my jar that I'm making. And I put sugar as well. And we like it a little bit spicy, so I'll put a couple of jalapenos in there to give it a little bit of a kick. So that's in here. It's been marinating in my fridge for a while. It takes about a day or two to kind of like marinate and get to that consistency and kind of soak up all the juices. So I have it ready in my fridge whenever I need it, and that's what we're gonna be using for our simple salad for our takeout food that we're getting today. So what is this again, Dylan? Salad. So now time to cut our salad. I'm gonna chop it up and then dress it with my veggies and make a quick salad dressing. So what I have here, the greens that I have is romaine and lettuce for this salad. And I'm just gonna do a small cut because my boys don't like big leaves. They like it as tiny as possible, so I'll do it like that. The greens are nice and chopped, and now I'm gonna make that dressing. This is a quick dressing that I'm making for my salad, and since we're having Italian, I'm keeping it as close to Italian as possible. I use mason jars to shake up and mix my salad dressing. So olive oil, and they always have measurements on the sides, so I just measure there. And then I'm gonna use some balsamic vinegar, and I'm not gonna do the whole thing balsamic vinegar because I want to use some of the vinegar from the pickled vegetables. So now that I have my olive oil and vinegar in there, I'm gonna add salt, pepper, some garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning to it. And then you just shake it. And you want to go ahead and taste it to make sure that all the ingredients are enough and it's well balanced. I just want to taste it a little bit and see if it's good. My husband usually is the one that tastes things for me, but he's behind the camera. Pretty good. Time to dress the salad. You can either add the salad dressing now and toss it, or add it later. I'm gonna add it later because some of my boys like it a little bit on the light side of dressing, so I'm not gonna put it on my salad yet. And you can also add an onion if you want. I'm not adding an onion because my boys are new to salads and they're still discovering a lot of this stuff, but Maurice and I would normally eat it with an onion. Now to add the veggies. Taste one?
Yeah, I want to taste one.
Okay, taste the carrot. Taste the carrot. What do you think? Yummy. I'm gonna also add some olives. One of my boys is obsessed with olives, so I'll do that. I'm not adding tomatoes because of course I'm having tomatoes in my bruschetta, so I'm not gonna add it on my salad. Time for the bruschetta, or is it bruschetta? I don't know. I'm not Italian, but I love this stuff. So you'll need a tomato, and you're just gonna cut it in little fine chunks or little cubes. And sorry, I forgot. Don't forget to remove the seeds. You don't want it to be watery. And this is what makes this bruschetta recipe simple. Basil pesto. It has basil, it has garlic, it has flavors. So just mix it in. So you add the basil pesto, and then you're gonna add balsamic vinegar. If you want it with a little bit of a kick, you can add some red pepper flakes. Some pepper. And it doesn't need olive oil, and it really doesn't need salt. If you find it that you want a little bit of salt, you can do that as well. But basically that's it. Tomato, basil pesto, and balsamic vinegar. That's it. Now you're gonna put it in the fridge and let all the flavors marinate and break down that tomato a little bit more. And it'll be ready for that bread that's coming with the takeout, and dinner will be served, and it's simple and easy. So our takeout just arrived, and we ordered extra bread because this is what I'm gonna be using for the bruschetta. So what I'm gonna do with the bread is that I'm gonna cut it a little bit thinner than the slices that it came with. I've already preheated my oven to 475. I wanted to get toasty nice and quick because I want to eat soon. My bread is out of the oven, nice and toasted. I'm gonna take a garlic and just rub it to get some of that garlic essence in it. And I'll top it off with the bruschetta. So I didn't have red vine tomatoes because this is what I was able to find. We're in quarantine, of course, so whatever was available at the supermarket, that's what I got. But this will work perfectly fine as long as it's been marinating in the fridge for a while. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. See you next time.
Bye.